Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the PDF in Microsoft Edge and showing the page thumbnails so you can act precisely. Once the thumbnail pane is visible, scan the pages to identify which one you want to remove. This visual step prevents mistakes. Make sure the file isn't read-only and that you open the editable copy. Now that you can see thumbnails and confirmed edit permissions, you're ready to select the page you intend to delete and move on to the deletion action. With the thumbnail selected, you remove the page by right-clicking and choosing Delete or by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Edge immediately removes it from the document view. If you need to delete multiple pages, hold Ctrl and click each thumbnail, then delete them together to save time. This step changes the document structure, so pause to confirm the correct pages are gone. Deleting here is quick because thumbnails show exact page order and content for accurate selection. Finish by saving the modified PDF with Ctrl+S so your deletion becomes permanent. Make sure file size and page numbers update correctly. If you immediately regret the change, press Ctrl+Z to undo or reopen the original copy if you kept a backup. If the delete option is disabled because the PDF is protected, use Print to PDF and select only the pages you want to keep as a workaround. This exports a new PDF without the unwanted page and results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.